Why? Why in my screen? Creepman 489. Creepman 489. Woo! Plays Minecraft. Hello, I'm this Creepman in very bad weather. 489 in very bad weather. And today we are playing a map called Don't Get Blown Up. I don't know what that means, but we need to take a night vision potion and drink it. See, it looks so much better. Hey, oh wait, I'm red. I get a diamond axe and leather tunic, and I'm green. Okay, trying not to get blown up by exploding trees, I guess? I don't know. 2 to 4 players try to chop down trees and get the most wood, I think. We'll see when this rain clears out. Well, looks like this rain isn't clearing out. Let's just go inside. 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go. Good. This tree doesn't explode.
Oh no. Oh no.
Ah!
Blow up everything.
Okay, how many? Oh!
Oh my. Still blowing.
It went after you. Wait, where are you?
I'm on the other
Easy.
side.
Easy! I'm coming for you, Easy.
I'm on the side.
You guys can't see anything. Can't see nada. So, wait. Actually, let's go into the torchlight. It's so cold. We'll make it through. How many pieces of wood did you get?
Hey guys, what do you want to eat? I'm not gonna get food.
Oh, I got 8. I want by one. Oh, you want to go?
You want to hit me first.
Yeah.
No.
Dance. Well, I guess we should go on to a second round. Easy is still getting ready, but I think we should just throw our potion to the side. And do you have your armor on? Just throw your potion away.
How do you throw it away?
Press B.
Wait.
Okay. Get out your axe and get ready, get set. I sound like a little kid. Thing. Ready? Go! I'm going for the back trees. Oh, this guy has a lot. The fudge. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. We've done good. Ah! Fine.
This is how you cheat, man.
Oh!
And you just launch going, how dare you? Don't dig. Don't dig like the last block. Or 15. Me.
No! Yeah. Come to the torch. You didn't hack. Wait. Oh my god.
Life axe.
Okay. So you beat me by 1 piece of wood, and looks like we're going on to a final round where I'm going to win. This potion tastes so good. It's made with golden carrots. Eat golden carrots, kids. It's going to make your eyesight so much better. It gives you night vision. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 88. Go, 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 go. Hey. I'm going to try to blow you up. Oh my god, this one goes underground. I'm getting all of it. Oh, okay, this one's supposed to blow up. I lost.
I'm still surviving.
Well, we can clearly tell that Easy Gaming won that one, because I only got 9 pieces of wood, and he got 11, if you can see.
I survived longer.
Can you? Well, it's kind of hard to see on my iPhone. It could be easier to see on a computer or laptop, but to hear me more clearly, you should probably either wear headphones or Yeah, that's it. Hey, 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 hey. Wanna go? Wanna go? Wanna go, bro? But yeah, he's just using this because we were looking through maps and we found this. Oh! Oh. I know how to PvP. I just got owned. Well, I don't know how to PvP and I got owned in my face. Yeah.
Oh no, I died. Revenge. One hell over here. Oh, the bench blew up too.
Betty by time. Betty by time. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, oh. Watch him as he kills me.
Oh.
Oh,
Tie. Okay, so guys, it's been real. Where am I? Wait,
where am
wait.
Where are you? Can't see my.
I'm right. I spawned right beside you, and you didn't even notice.
You're probably inside me.
I spawned right where you
Max.
were.
Max.
So guys, it's been a very fun video, and I'm piling up in the distance so that this is that. So,
No, my ass.
so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then leave a like and subscribe. And it's a creeper. Oh, oh no, you don't.
Trying to get you and you just
Oh,
died.
come on! No, I'm not.
Yay, a chance to kill him. Well, he's not gonna die anyways. Oh, good for it.
Come on, reconnect!
Yay.
Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. It should have ended. This video should have ended a long time ago, but thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, and we will see you next time. Peace! Thanks for watching my video. Hashtag subscribe. This is my last video. Sorry, I kind of wrote this. Last video. Home. Oh God, I'm gonna burn to death. Sorry, guys. Bad Wi-Fi.